Hello, everybody. First, I would like to thank all of you for the great response and the way you appreciated Sanjot's video and all the videos. Now, our next disciple is Nandita Damle. Actually, she's advocate Nandita Damle. About Nandita, that she always balanced her uh, decent, regular, uh, idealistic path of studies, school, college, and dance. She balanced it very well. She always loved dance. In earlier days, she used to look at dance just as an activity. But that activity converted into her love. I would not say passion, but definitely dance is Nandita's love. Sometimes we believe in certain students. I felt like no, she will pursue dance or she will continue dance. She looks passionate. And in reality, girl like Nandita suddenly emerges and takes interest. And then I came to know that she is a silent supporter of Sharir Nritya Kala. For all last 8-9 productions, Nandita was always there. A proud moment for Nandita's parents also and Nandita also and me also, that she played lead role in Nritya Swarup Geet Ramayana. Ramesh Dev Productions had organized this show. Sunil Barve took initiative, and thanks to Sunil Barve, it was a great pleasure, it was a great opportunity, it was a great responsibility. And one fine day I called Nandita and I said, you have to play Sita. She was surprised, scared, obviously, and but she was ready. And she played Sita. She played Sita in house pack audience. All great personalities from theatre had come, and she did it. That's why I like Nandita, because she believed. She didn't believe in herself, but she believed in me. Watch Nandita.
Hello everyone, my name is Nandita Damle. I am a disciple of renowned Kathak dancer Mrs. Sonia Parchure. Our institution Sharir Nritya Kala Mandir has completed 26 years and I couldn't be happier. I feel so proud to be a part of this institution. I think Sonia Te has huge impact on my life. I feel she is a true performer. She always says, once you're on stage, you're a performer. Your every action is part of your performance. The way you walk, what you talk, even if you're standing, how you stand and how you conduct yourself is part of your performance. And we are so fortunate to witness all these things through her performance. Sonia Te has molded my life in so many levels. I can't thank her enough for that. I seek blessings of Lord Krishna and start my performance with Krishna Vandana. I would like to thank Swapnil Bhate for accompaniment of tabla, Shreyas Govitrikar for harmonium, Rachana Moe for vocals, Sakhil Parchure, my Guru Bhagini, for padanta, and Vijay Moe for editing and recording this video. With my Guru's blessing, presenting Krishna Vandana.
गोविन्दं गोकुलानन्दं गोपालं गोपीवल्लभम् गोवर्धनो धारं धीरं
When Lord Krishna defeated vicious Kaliya in the river Yamuna, he performed a victory dance. Sounds that were created during his dance are now known as Natwari Bol. Sounds such as ta thai tat thai, tram tigal thai, or tat tat thai, tigal thai are Natwari Bols. Based on these Natwari Bols, presenting some tones.
他能能拿，他能能拿。大腿哒哒腿哒哒腿，大腿哒哒腿啊腿哒哒腿啊腿哒哒腿哒哒腿，大腿哒哒腿啊腿哒哒腿腿哒哒腿腿哒哒腿腿哒腿哒哒腿腿哒腿腿哒哒腿哒哒腿哒哒他能能拿，他能能拿，他能能拿，他能能拿。
I'm going to conclude my performance with Saint Meera's bhajan, Maru Pranam. As we all know, this bhajan is sung by Gana Saraswati, Pandita Kishori Amulkar. Sonia Dey has choreographed this bhajan addressing emotional state of Saint Meera. Maru Pranam.
मारो प्रणाम भाग्य बिहार जी मारो प्रणाम भाग्य बिहारी जी मारो प्रणाम भाग्य बिहारी जी मारो प्रणाम अधर मधुर धर बसे बजावा अधर मधुर धर बसे बजावा रिझ रिझावा ब्रज नारी जी रिझ रिझावा ब्रज नारी जी मारो प्रणाम भाग्य बिहारी जी मारो प्रणाम या शब्दे